Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing Karachi's famous Kolachi Restaurant's Chicken Reshmi Handi recipe. When I tried it last year, I tried to recreate it with a couple of different ingredients and I think I am almost there. So thought to share it with you guys today. It's a very easy and quick recipe. You can make it for iftar dinner or eat this around the corner as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we need a blended onion for this recipe. I'm just adding cube onion in a blender jug with a little bit of water and blend it until I have a fine paste and put this on the side. I'm taking a regular cooking pot, adding some oil and adding freshly minced garlic. Now I was out of ginger, so I am adding ginger paste today, but if you have a ginger, just add it with the garlic. Since I was using paste, so I added little later and just saute them for like a minute or two and then adding blended onions. Now start cooking the onions until all the extra water dries out and onions are fully cooked and they turn into this lightish brownish color. Then adding boneless chicken and some of sliced green chilies and then start cooking until chicken completely changes its color. Now I'll season it with some salt, coriander powder, cumin powder and black pepper, or you can add white pepper as well. Just mix and then we are adding yogurt in this recipe. Now still start my heat for this pot is medium to high, and if you want at this point you can just cover it so yogurt will release all its water and chicken will get completely tender. When chicken is tender, I'm adding cubed cheddar cheese and coconut powder. Mix well until cheese is completely melted and mixed through. In the end, we are just adding heavy whipping cream, regular heavy whipping cream which you find in regular grocery stores, and some sliced capsicum or green peppers and green chilies. Mix well, and in the end just add a little bit of butter and just dish out and garnish it with some green chilies, butter and sliced ginger, and your creamy cheesy chicken reshmi handi is ready to serve. Serve it with some Moroccan naan, or if you like just serve it with some steamed rice. This is very easy and quick recipe. This Eid is not a normal Eid for all of us, so but you can of course treat your family with amazing recipes like this. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know, leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.